I love all the hands-on stuff. Being able to get your hands dirty, take stuff apart, put it back together, see how it works, try and make it better if you can. My name is Tyler Hudson. I am technically the CEO and president of Rogue Approach as of July. Basically, I'm responsible for all of the day-to-day operations for Rogue Approach, as well as all of the mechanical engineering and design. I'm not a business guy or a salesman or anything like that, but kind of being thrust in the role and saying, hey, if you want it to work, you've got to do the work and put in the time and figure out exactly what needs to be done. I think the most exciting thing is it's all on my shoulders, right? If we fail, then it's going to be 100% my fault, and if we succeed, it's going to be 100% my fault as well. It's exciting to be in that position. It's a little stressful and a little scary sometimes, but it's different and I like it and it's a challenge.